Hey guys, my name is John and today I wanted to do a quick review of the Zaap Premium Selfie Stick. Just like anyone else in the world today, I'm constantly on my cell phone. As a matter of fact, if you're watching this video on your phone right now, then you're probably guilty too. And being cell phone addicts, as a lot of us are nowadays, I'd be willing to bet that you like taking selfie shots too. And what better way to do that than with a selfie stick? And if you're looking for the perfect selfie stick, trust me, this one right here is the best. For one, it's got a super sleek premium design for ultimate comfort and flexibility. There is no need to charge the selfie stick, and it's got universal compatibility across several devices with cameras. It is super extendable and can extend up to 27 inches so you can get those perfect wide-angle shots. And lastly, this bad boy is built like a tank. It's durable, and as expected from any product from Zaap, it works really well. Anyway, if you guys are looking for the perfect selfie stick, I'll put my money on this one. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next. Bye!